Programming has always been about creativity, problem solving and precision. But with tools like ChatGPT 01, things are changing faster than we ever imagined. It's hard for me to say this as someone who has spent years coding, but programming is evolving in ways we couldn't have foreseen. Today we'll dive into how ChatGPT and AI tools are reshaping programming. And we'll explore what this means for developers, the opportunities and challenges it brings, and how we can adapt into this rapid evolution. AI is no longer just about automating repetitive tasks. Tools like ChatGPT are actively writing, debugging, and even optimizing code. It's like having a junior developer who works tirelessly, never complains, and always delivers. For example, it can quickly generate boilerplate code, write test cases, and even refactor legacy code. That's incredible, right? But this rapid evolution also raises concerns. What are these concerns? Are we becoming too dependent on AI? Will entry-level programmers lose opportunities and jobs because a machine can now do part of their work? And what about accountability for AI-generated code? These are valid questions and they highlight the ethical and practical challenges we need to address. As exciting as this technology is, it's also deeply personal for many of us. Admitting that a machine can handle aspects of what I have spent years mastering feels like a direct challenge to me. Or even us. It's almost as if the value of my hard-earned skill is being questioned. And I know I'm not alone in feeling this way. Many programmers worry about losing their creative control and wonder if they will eventually be replaced. But here is the truth. And that truth is, this ain't the end of programming. It's an evolution. And evolution is always uncomfortable. We have been here before with other technological shifts, and just like before, it's time for us to adapt. Instead of fearing AI, think of this as a collaborator, a tool that can enhance our creativity and efficiency. Just as IDEs and libraries revolutionized our workflows, AI is simply the next step in that journey. And so our value as programmers goes beyond just writing code. We are the ones who bring creativity, context, and ethics to the table. These are areas where AI struggles and where we excel. It's up to us to guide these tools, ensuring they are used responsibly and effectively. To thrive in this new landscape, we need to focus on skills that AI can't easily replicate. And what are those skills? Things like creative problem solving, ethical decision making, and communication are those skills. We should also embrace new roles like prompt engineering and AI-assisted development. So these are exciting opportunities that can redefine what it means to be a programmer in the AI age. AI isn't here to replace us, it is here to work with us. It's a partner that allows us to work smarter and faster. By embracing it, we can stay ahead and continue to thrive in our profession. What are your thoughts on AI and programming? So do you see it as an opportunity or as a threat? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. And if this video gives you insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.